Hello friends, and welcome to your Matter Matters unit. In this short video that you can come back to anytime if you need help, I'm going to explain how to log in, access, and get back to your leveled challenges. All right, so let's take a look. In this collection you see here, you will notice that we have 6 actual columns and 5 levels in this unit. I'm going to explain that in a minute. To get to this unit, maybe you're at home, not in class, and so you're not sure how to get to. This collection will be in your Seesaw journal. Just open your Seesaw journal and you'll see the collection. This collection will be in your Schoology page. This collection will also be in your teams. You can get directly to this collection by going to our class Wakelet page. So you see that this same collection is going to be housed or stored in many different locations for you to find it. I just want to remind you of that in case you're at home and maybe your Teams doesn't work, maybe your Schoology doesn't work, maybe your Seesaw, something doesn't work. No problems, my friend. You can always find this collection and any other collection we have in Wakelet, because I'll put them in a lot of places, but they'll be the same thing. All right, so let's check out what we're going to do. So all of the resources you need in class for your units are housed or stored in our science resource box with the folders and drawers, right? So you know where to find the printed materials for each unit. If you are at home, the first column in every unit will have your unit resources and handouts that we do in class. You can simply click on these links and it will take you to the digital copy of the same thing we're doing in class, so you're not going to get behind. You can go ahead and do it digitally if you don't have to print it at home, and then when you get to class, I'll print it for you and glue it into your science notebook. All right, so let's talk about Unit 1, Matter Matters. In this unit, there are 5 exciting levels we're going to explore through. To get to each level, we're going to start at level 1, so all you have to do is click on level 1. When I click on the box for level 1, you are going to see just that unit. So you're going to be focused on what you have to do for that unit. First thing you're going to notice in every unit is what we're learning, the standard. This is our goal, right? If you need this bigger, you can just focus on that. Maybe your parents want to know what you're learning about. There it is. If you need it on your own and you don't have someone to help you to read it, you can use Immersive Reader. Remember, Immersive Reader also has all of those other really cool tools we've learned how to use in this tool. That way you can access the content or the learning in any way that you need. All right? So that's always available to you in anything that's in print. All right? As we scroll down, remember we're in level 1, we're going to see our student tracker. If you're in class, this is printed and you're going to put it in the front of your notebook for that level. As you complete the activities, you are going to check them off. It's going to be the same for every level and every unit going forward. All right, so that's not going to change. So how do you get to the learn? First thing you have to do is your learn activities. It says mini lesson with Ed puzzle, interactive notebook entry. Where do I find that? No worries, my friend. Keep scrolling down. We're going to see, look, it says learn like a scientist. That's what I need to find, those activities. Oh, there's the video right there. I just push play, and guess what? It's going to play right there. As you're watching that video, remember, you are going to answer the questions along the way, and at the same time, you are going to be completing that note tracker. So you already should have your note tracker from the science resource box printed, your materials, and in the video I explain what you need. But there's a picture of it in case you forget. So you're not going to complete that here. That's what you're completing as you watch the video. All right? Those are your 2 learn activities. Wow, we're already ready to explore. Explore like a scientist activity. You guessed it, they're going to be linked right here. So you're not going to complete them here. There'll be a link and you'll go to your Seesaw journal to complete them. Or to maybe Generation Genius. The links will be right here. Everything will be live for you, all right? You're done with that. Mark it off your tracker. Continue to scroll down level 1, my friends. Then you're going to get the opportunity to create like a scientist. Your links to do that are going to be right here. This is the really fun part. This is where you get to show what you know so we can use what you know to grow. And you can teach others. Pretty cool, isn't it? When you are done with all of those amazing activities, you're pretty sure to have mastered the standard by then. All right? And you've shown that evidence that you're ready in many ways. So when you're ready for a mastery check, you just head on over to the teacher station. Let me know you're ready for a mastery check with the little clip chart, and we will chat real quick. I'll glance at your notebook and send you to the mastery check. As soon as you're done with the mastery check, you are going to level up. In the class, to help you stay on track, not only your personal tracker, but the class tracker will help you and your team to stay on track. So as we work through the levels, I will be moving your little character, your little game piece, along the path to mastery. All right, as you see the student here. And then when you get to the create, you get to choose what to do. So pretty cool, right? If you're working in these activities and you need help, remember, the first place to go to help is the people working on that activity. You can work together. In fact, I hope you work together. All right? I will maybe need to work on Learn Activity 1 with some people. So how do I know who's working on that? Well, I can look around the group, or I already know if I look up at that tracker, I can see these 3 people here. In this case, this sample class is Jasmine, Levon, and Jackson are all going to work on that today. And I'm going to work on that today too. You see, I'm right here. So I'm going to go work with them for level 1. All of those people on level 1 should be in that workstation. So I can ask them for help. I can also ask anybody that's already passed that level because they've already passed it. They probably are a pretty good source of information, aren't they? If need be, if nobody has your answer to your question, then you must come to me, because that means stop everything. Let's do a class chat. All right? Which is not always a bad thing. When you are done, you're going to see on the tracker, you're refined and mastered. You've either refined it or mastered it, and that's going to unlock the next level. So the next level, you say, what do you mean the next level? Well, back to our thing, the next level is level 2. Obviously, from level 1, we go to level 2, level up. And when I get to level 2, what do? Oh, I remember. I just click on the box, and it's going to open level 2 so I can focus on it. I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to notice it looks a lot like level 1. There's even some reading supports if I need them in read mode on all these words, aren't they? And I'm going to scroll down, and oh, I need a tracker in my notebook. Time to start a new level. Get that tracker from the resource center. There's your reminder. And then there's my learn activities. There's my video ready to go. What am I going to do when I do that video? Oh, that's the note taker. I need to have that. When I'm doing that video, I'm done with those. Store them away and move on to explore. Isn't it the same thing we did in level 1? Why, yes, my friends. And then level up, you know how to sign in for your level up. So, I hope this helps you to explore and navigate through this exciting adventure of Matter Matters. I look forward to seeing you in Teacher Station. Toodaloo, Tigers, you do know what to do.